Hi everyone, it's Reggie Roo here. Today, we're in the mountains. What slides through the mountains like a snake? A train does. And there's the train station. And look, there's the train. And away it goes. A big green train. Along the rails and past a little village. The green train gently begins to climb the mountain. Looking out the window is fun. Now you can see the village way down in the valley below. The train winds through the mountains. Higher and higher it goes. Where do you think it's off to? Over the river now, and past a waterfall. There are lots of people on the train. All of them are looking out the window to see the beautiful countryside. Would you like to be on this train too? High up in the mountains, there aren't many buildings or cars, just the green train. Ahead is a tunnel. Is the train going to go into the tunnel? Yes, in it goes. To the right, you can see out of the tunnel to the valley below. Toot toot, as the train is coming out of the tunnel. There goes the conductor, checking the tickets. Looks like we have a quick stop. What a pretty waterfall. The train's on the move again, climbing high up in the mountains once more. It looks very small against the big mountain. I think we can see our destination. The green train pulls into the station high up on the mountain. Everyone unloads their gear. Some of the people have bicycles, while others are getting on the train now to catch it down to the bottom. Do you think they want to see the pretty countryside and waterfall too? The train is off once more. Bye-bye, train. Bye-bye, boys and girls. Hooroo! To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.